How to go back to TV from YouTube. Returning to regular TV programming after using YouTube on your TV can depend on your TV model, remote, and how you accessed YouTube. Here are the steps for different scenarios. 1. Using the TV remote. Press the home button. On most remotes, pressing the home button will exit the YouTube app and take you to the TV's main menu. Select Live TV, navigate to the Live TV source or input option using the remote's arrow keys, and press OK or Enter. 2. Using the back button. Press the back button. Press the back or return button on the remote repeatedly until you return to the TV's default interface. Switch to TV. From the TV's main menu, choose the TV option or the corresponding input for Live TV. 3. Switch inputs. Access input menu, press the input or source button on the remote. Select TV input. Use the arrow keys to highlight the input labeled TV, HDMI, or antenna, depending on your TV setup. 4. Exit YouTube on smart TVs. Close the app. On smart TVs, go to the app settings and select Exit YouTube or press the Exit button on the remote. Resume TV watching. The TV will automatically switch back to the default input for Live TV after exiting the app. 5. Power cycle the TV if needed. Turn off and on. If exiting YouTube doesn't automatically take you to the TV input, turn the TV off and back on. Most TVs resume on the last used input or default to Live TV. These steps will help you seamlessly transition from YouTube back to regular TV programming.